Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make a looping video background using Wix Studio, step by step, updated for 2025. If you want your website to look sleek, modern, and visually dynamic, this feature is going to make a huge difference. So stick with me till the end. I'll make sure you get it done perfectly on your first try. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Wix Studio account. The easiest way is to click Continue with Google. It saves time and gets you in right away. Once you're in, choose the project or website where you want to add your video background. Next, on the left-hand toolbar, click the plus icon. That's your Add New Element button. This opens the full element menu. From here, select Quick Add and then choose Video. This will insert a video element right onto your page. Now, here's the key part. We want the video to act as a background. So once the video element is on your page, click on it and then click the small stretch icon. This ensures your video covers the entire background area cleanly, without any blank spaces or cropping issues. It's what makes your design look professional. Next up, it's time to choose your video. Click on Change Video. Wix gives you two main options. You can either upload your own video if you already have one, or browse the Wix Media Library for free, high-quality videos. Wix's library is packed with great loops, so if you don't have your own footage, you'll definitely find something that fits your site's vibe, whether it's minimal, nature-themed, or tech-inspired. After selecting your video, the next step is to make sure it loops perfectly. Wix Studio automatically sets videos to loop when used as backgrounds, but it's always smart to double check. Click the Quadrille Preview button at the top right corner of the editor. Watch your video play and confirm it loops seamlessly. No cuts, no pauses, just smooth motion. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've just created a looping video background in Wix Studio. This simple enhancement can instantly make your site more engaging, dynamic, and memorable. Just make sure your video complements your website's message. It shouldn't distract users from your content. And that's it. You now know how to create a professional looping video background in Wix Studio full 2025 style. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my upcoming Wix Studio tips and web design guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.